If you're a culture enthusiast, then you need to experience the magic of Irreechaa 2024. Irreechaa, the heart of the Oromoo people, is more than just a festival. It's a vibrant celebration of resilience, unity and heritage. As the rainy season ends, the Oromoo community comes together to give thanks and welcome the new harvest with open arms. This year's celebration is extra special, highlighting the unwavering spirit of the Oromoo people. From traditional music and dance to exquisite cultural clothing and handicrafts, Irreechaa 2024 is a feast for the senses. It's a moment for cultural exchange, fostering unity and appreciation for diversity within Ethiopia. As elders and youngsters join hands, the festival becomes a living testament to the rich history and traditions passed down through generations. So come along and feel the rhythm, embrace the culture, and celebrate the enduring spirit of the Oromoo community. Irreechaa 2024 awaits you.